Now let's go inside. If you look inside, it's not the largest building, but it's definitely one that has had many, many, many years of practice and training. We've had an enormous amount of special guests and senseis that have come through the dojo. We try to remember those that got us where we are today. This is Sensei John Mitchell. He passed away back in September of 2011. He was a really, really good friend. Probably one of the best friends that I've ever known. And all of the articles that you see in the shadow box are from his training days, with some pictures of us together. That picture there is when we met Fumio Demura for the first time. We did have an opportunity to train with him on a few occasions, and it was a great experience.